Alrighty, what's going on, you guys? So today I'm going to be talking to you about the Midwest Homes Pet Deluxe Pet Bed. Yeah, this is a great little pet bed. We just got a new puppy. The reason this is actually up here on top of the thing is because if I put it down, he'd lay on it. That's why. He just loves it so much, so I really just needed to get it up here and out of the way for him for a second. But yeah, basically we got this, we wanted to get a nice little plush bed for him. This is what I guess they call a Mocha Ombre Swirl design. It looks really, really nice. I actually really dig this design overall. Looks great, and it's honestly just perfect for our little guy. It's 24 inches long and 18 inches wide. I know these come in multiple sizes, but they're best for small dogs. I know any larger dogs, if you're trying to put them on this, I mean, this thing would just be torn apart, you know. It's not the strongest thing in the world, and yeah, but perfect for our smaller dogs. And we have a little Dachshund, so it's great for him. This thing is very, very soft. I'm surprised how soft it is. Like, I would almost be happy to sleep on something like this. It feels, I don't know, kind of has like the touch of like a synthetic fur. So just very, very comfortable, very nice. I think meshes really well with him. At the bottom has this, as you can see, it's like polka dotted, and there are basically like creases and panels. This makes it like non-slip or non-skid. So it's essentially like a little grip on the bottom. It's really nice because we keep it on our kitchen floor, which is tile, and so, you know, we don't have to worry about him like running in and jumping on it and then having it slide around or whatever. It stays in one place, which is cool. And then in between that, it's filled, I assume, with some sort of like foam. It's definitely not like a down material. It feels like some just really lightweight foam, but it's got some cushion to it. You know, not the most in the world, but for a lighter dog, again, like, you should be fine. He's not going to be putting a ton of pressure on this thing, so yeah, it's pretty solid. So I feel like it's, you know, he lays on it all the time, so obviously there's some comfort to this thing. I'm gonna go back, like, basically the first reason we got this, because it looks really nice. We used to have another dog bed, and I don't know, it was just like really cheapy, kind of just like a nasty, like, bright blue and red. Didn't really fit in. Like, we have a lot of, like, you know, it's a lot of like vintage browns and beiges in our house, and so, you know, we wanted to get something that kind of fit with that whole decor. And honestly, this could fit, I mean, just because it's so minimal, it could fit with really any kind of modern decor. You know, you got the nice little swirl pattern. It's got the little, like, almost like button indents right here. It just looks like it's very just sleek and easy and comfortable, and, you know, there's really not much to it, so you can really fit this within any part of your home. One thing that I also do love about this is that it is machine washable, which is great because we all know dogs get dirty. He likes to go outside a lot, hop around in, you know, in the water, and he gets little muddy feet and everything. Come in, he could lay on this thing, and, you know, we can wash it each week with a load of clothes. And it's not like, you know, also not like the fleece pet beds, which get pretty gross. Those are like, we had a fleece pet bed last time, and, you know, it got nasty pretty fast. But yeah, these are really easy to wash, really easy to dry. We dried it a couple times. It still looks great. You know, hasn't harmed it at all. So it's pretty solid. Overall, I think this is a very quality dog bed. You know, it was well worth the money, in my opinion. I love this thing. I love, you know, just the look of it, having it in our house. He loves laying on it all the time. So, you know, can't really complain. The only thing I would say is, you know, just again, like, you can only really use these for small dogs. You know, and we've even had like our neighbors' dogs come over, and they're bigger guys, and they try to get on this thing, and it just does not look well. So I would highly recommend that. But yeah, you know, if you're looking for a good little, you know, bed for your pet, and you want something more on like the deluxe end, the, I don't know, higher tier end, I guess, of pet beds, then go for this one. This is Midwest Homes Deluxe Pet Bed. And yeah, take it easy, you guys.